Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda, and today what we are going to be doing is a what I clean in a day, and I am doing a collab, guys, with one of my brand new friends, and her name is Kristin Tolman. I will leave her channel down in the description box down below, guys. She is a very sweet lady that I have recently met, and she uploads cleaning videos, guys. So if that is something that you like, which I'm pretty sure you are if you're watching this one, make sure you go check her out and send her some love, guys, that way, and let her know that I went ahead and sent you over there. So make sure you do that. As you can tell, my hair is already ready to be doing the cleaning video today. So we're just going to go ahead and get straight into it, guys. By the way, don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to also hit that notification bell. I upload cleaning videos and lifestyle videos, guys. So if that is something that you are interested in, make sure you continue to stick around, guys. So let's get to cleaning.
Okay, guys, so first off, the first thing I do after I get up and take a shower and everything is go ahead and make my bed. I know this is y'all's very first time ever seeing me do this, guys. I finally got a little more comfortable in showing you at least part of my bedroom. So this is the first thing that I'm going to do that I do every single day with my cleaning. So the next thing I do is, this is seriously every single day, guys, and I'm pretty sure all of y'all could agree with me. If you agree with me, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and that is make sure that I do at least one load of laundry every single day, or that basket ends up getting really full. And then also, as you're going to see as well, I actually did have clothes in the dryer that I had not taken out yet. So that was something that I did as well, was go ahead and take out those clothes from the dryer. So now that that's done, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go fix my couches, because as you can see, my dogs are always on them, as well as my kids. So they always are getting messy. So that is what we're going to do right now, is we're going to go ahead and fix both of my couches. That way they will at least look good for at least maybe a couple hours, truthfully. Okay, guys, so now that my couches are fixed, those clothes that you saw me take out earlier from the dryer, we're going to go ahead and fold these clothes. That way I can go ahead and put them up.
It's being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
Let's get scratching.
So I also do this multiple times actually throughout the day, and that is sweep my living room, because that is exactly what you walk into when you come into my house, is straight into my living room. And as you can see, I have, you know, 2 dogs, my daughter has a cat, and then I'm a family of 4. So we track in a lot of dirt, and I got to make sure I sweep this up, guys. So actually, I do this about twice a day, and pretty much just every single time after I cook. I always make sure that I wipe down my counter spaces, because they do tend to get dirty very easily. So that is what we're doing right here. We're just going to wipe down both counter spaces and put up the little bitty dishes that I have left out from washing earlier today, and put those back where they go. Okay, guys, so the last thing I do every day after I go ahead and clean all my counters off is I sweep my living room. Sorry about that, guys. I already did that. I go ahead and I sweep my kitchen. It's very small, as you can see right here, guys. It's a very small area I have, but I want to make sure that I sweep this up, because since I do have dogs, I want to make sure I don't leave anything on the ground that they can, you know, eat or we can step on or something. So this is the very last thing that I do with what I clean every single day, guys. And I do hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. And also don't forget to go show my friend some love. Again, her address to her YouTube channel will be in my description box, guys. So make sure you go and check out her channel, and I'll see y'all later, guys. Love y'all. Bye.